Parva is where community magic happens. If you're new to Parva, this video is supposed to help you get started with Parva on the Parva web app, which you can access with the domain getparva.com. If you're a first time user or you're a repeat user, just use this one button in the corner. Again, if you're a repeat user or a first time user, use the same button and click on continue with Google. If you're a new user, the web app will recommend some communities that you can get started with. If you're a repeat user, this is what your user home will look like. It is made up of three sections. The first section is the featured community section, where the platform will suggest some communities that you can be part of. But your second section will tell you all the communities that you're already part of are or are hosting. So let's check out a community, how it looks. So this is what we call is a community homepage. A community homepage is where all the activities related to a community are basically hosted. There are several sections called posts where you can access all the posts that are produced by a community, the events, the members, check out all the members, and some features are exclusive to the app. The third section on your user home is the community stream. Community stream is made up of all the artifacts that are produced by all your communities. For example, so one of the communities that I am involved with is called the Malayalam Cine Report. The Malayalam Cine Report is a community curated by Rangel, and I am a manager on this community. So community organizers and managers will see various options to create posts and create events. And on every community, you will again see multiple tabs which take you to the posts, events, and the member info tab. So as we can see, Rangel is hosting a watch party soon. So we are a niche community that is growing. So here is your profile section. Make your profile section interesting, write about. If you want to create a community, this is the button which will help you do that. This will basically take you to the create community form. Decide a topic about which you want to create a community, input a community name, input a slug. Slug is basically a domain name, subdomain name for your community. Put in all the other basic info like a welcome note for your new members, description, why people should subscribe to your community, and obviously um, what how much money people should pay to get access to your community every month or every year. Through our brand access programs, we will find and connect you to brands and product companies which will actually pay you to access your community. One of the pilot programs that we are running is with Qblocks. As you can see, Qblocks is a next generation cloud computing platform which gives you access to GPUs and cloud compute, which is much cheaper than traditional cloud service providers like. So what is happening here is Qblocks is actually paying one of our community organizers, the organizers of Data Science News, to access their community. We think this is a win-win situation for both the product company, the brand, and the community organizers. Suppose you want to join a new community. You like one of the featured communities. What do? Click on it, read about the community, see what pitch are they making, and take a decision. You can join the community, and voila. This is a nice welcome note written by the community organizers just for you. Hello, this is the user demo for the mobile version of Parva. So as we have seen for the web version, same applies to the mobile version for Parva, but the mobile version is equipped with more features and exciting engagement tools for community organizers and their members. As you have seen on the web app, there's a featured community section, there's your community section, there's the community stream where you can find out about all the artifacts that are created by your community. There's a trending section on mobile app where you can actually see which communities are gaining more traction around you. There's the nice profile section which you can use to leave communities you're no longer interested in. So let's go to one of our communities, Puneri Katta. So Puneri Katta is one of our earliest communities. So there is a chat room which the Puneri Katta hosts. So since this is an MVP, we are collecting payments from PhonePe and Paytm. These are payment methods here in India, accessed via a phone number. So as we can see, multiple people have actually started uh, paying Puneri Katta the subscription fee. We will soon introduce direct subscriptions into the mobile app. So this is a workaround for the initial days. That is the MVP for Parva. Many more interesting features to come. We are going to soon introduce the radio feature, which helps community organizers to actually create wonderful audio conferences for their communities.
Hello, Dhanashree. Hello, Rishi.
Hi,
Tell me,
hi Abhi.
can you tell me about what Puneri Katta community is?
So basically, Pimurikatta community, I would say it's it's a community about people who love food, who are enthusiastic about food, who wants to try new cuisine. Like we started this whole, like considering now Pimurikatta is only Maharashtrian cuisine. So we specialize in Maharashtrian cuisine. So if you ask what Puneri Katta is, it would be a community of people who are interested, enthusiastic about Maharashtrian cuisine, wants to know more, to, and are really interested, bring people together, discuss about it. So that's all Puneri Katta is.
Why do you use Parva?
Uh, Basically, we are very much enthusiastic about food, about our Maharashtrian food. Parva, we are able to not just publish or give a sneak peek about what all things and how do we work or what offers we have. We can also tell users to subscribe, and so they can also benefit. Plus, we also benefit through that. So it's a win-win situation for both of us.
And that's where Parva comes into play. Due to monetization, you filter out the crowd. So only those people who are genuinely interested. So we get a strong community instead of getting noises from everywhere. It's a strong
Perfect.
community who are really interested.
What has been your experience using Parva, and what more do you expect from it?
Experience has been really good. So we onboarded around a week ago. So onboarding wise, it was a very simple process. There was no hassle. It and the experience overall to create an event, create a post was very simple. And advantage was, well, within a week we got around 25 members, three subscriptions.
We have created a number of events. We created a number of posts. We created a number of events. We organized many events. But this was the only way through which we actually monetize something.